What is the name of our country?
India.
What is the name of our state?
Andhra Pradesh.
What is our national flag?
Tiranga.
What is our river?
Ganga.
Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Which is our national tree?
Bayanti.
Which is our national fruit?
Mango.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Which is our national game?
Hockey.
Which is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Which is our national anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
Who wrote national anthem or Jana Gana Mana?
Narayan Tagore.
Who wrote national song or Vande Mataram?
Bankim